And along those lines, West Ada families in need of, at times, very elusive COVID test may be in luck. We've reported on some waiting hours to get their hands on a rapid COVID test, but students in the state's largest school district can now get one more quickly due to West Ada now offering testing at their district office. It's part of an effort to get students' results faster, so those who are negative and not showing symptoms can get back into class. Our Andrew Bartline has been following this for us today. And Andrew, you spoke to people getting tested today at the district office. What did they have to say about this new process?
Yeah, the people I spoke with, Mark, were really thankful that they have this opportunity to get this test, because it's been difficult for them to find, and because some want a negative test to get back in the classroom like you mentioned, but others are showing symptoms and they just want to know if they have COVID or if it's just a bug.
When Dawn Gray's family started showing symptoms, her husband had to scramble to find a COVID test.
Well, that was an ordeal, trying to find somewhere to get him tested.
But for her son, the West Ada School District made it easy on them.
In the meantime, I found out through the district that I could have my son come here and get the rapid result test, which was excellent.
Preventative Health is providing COVID tests at the West Ada District office for students who've been exposed to COVID or have shown symptoms.
We felt like offering this option would help get students back in school sooner.
But some are concerned about relying on these rapid tests. Dr. David Peterman is the CEO of Primary Health, and he says the antigen rapid test is not the same as a PCR test, and the rapid tests are not as accurate.
So what it means is they're missing some of the positives. It's likely worse than what they're recording.
But West Ada says those testing at their location will have the option to select either a rapid test or a PCR test. The rapid test has a 15-minute turnaround time, and the PCR test takes 3 days. According to the Preventative Health sign-up website, you can request both tests.
Once that student gets a negative test and then starts feeling better, they can get right back in school. So they're not tied to that quarantine time if they had an exposure.
It's a service students like Pierce Richardson are thankful for, as he wants to be back in the classroom.
I like being at home, but it's not worth missing exams and tests and stuff. Now I have to go in after school to figure all this stuff out, but I like thriving in school, so I'd rather not be behind.
And for mothers like Dawn Gray, as she just wants to keep her family safe.
So I know that there are people that just don't see it and know that this is available, and it's extremely valuable, especially if you have other people in the family that you're worried about.
Now, West Ada had 125 appointments scheduled for this week. Those have all filled up through Friday. I asked the public information officer at the West Ada School District if they plan to extend this into the next weeks, and they said they are. They're going to continue to offer these tests right now indefinitely. So as long as there's demand for it, they're going to keep allowing them to be offered.
And obviously there is demand for it. All right, Andrew, thank you.